Hi, my name's Beck. I'm an acupuncturist, a yin yoga, and a meditation teacher. And we've put together a little series to help you get started with your own meditation practice. Our lives are so busy. I have such a busy time just simply keeping up with my email, my children's lives, and my business life. It's like a full-time job. So in traditional Chinese medicine, we love everything to be in balance. So to counteract all of that busyness, we are going to practice the art of being still. And it is an art. Meditation can be deceptively easy and deceptively difficult. It's really helpful whenever we try anything new to have a guide or a teacher to help you along the way, and that is our intention with this series. So today we're going to talk about the essential ingredient to get you started, and that is discovering your why. So your why is going to be unique to you, and it's really going to help you anchor into your commitment. Your why is going to be different to my why. At my private practice as an acupuncturist, I see a lot of stress-related conditions. I see people with anxiety, nervous system issues, skin issues, digestive issues, sleep issues, high blood pressure, like hypertension, sensations in their chest, like heart palpitations, and people really need to have something reliable that they can access to counteract all that busyness and all those stress-related issues that they're experiencing. So I commonly recommend beginning a meditation practice. Now, sometimes it's difficult and overwhelming to know, what do I do first? So let's talk about your why. So let's take a piece of paper. On the left side, we're going to write down all the things that in our lives that we want to change. Like perhaps we feel too angry a lot of the time. Perhaps we feel like our minds are going to explode. Perhaps it's been years since we've had a really good sleep. Or perhaps we feel like our digestion just isn't smooth, and we know that that is because of feelings of overwhelm and anxiety. On the right-hand side of your page, let's write down how you want to feel, what benefits that you want to achieve by having this stillness practice. So for example, you might want to sleep better, you might want to feel less anxious, so you might want to write, I want to have a sound sleep, I want to feel more calm, more centered, more grounded, more peaceful, more relaxed with myself, more creative, more inspired, more intuitive. These are all of the things that I have experienced that my meditation practice has helped me with. I have been practicing meditation, all kinds of meditation, for about 30 years. And in the beginning, my why, I was experiencing a lot of things and learning new things, but my why was a little bit up and down. It was a little bit of a weak why. My why was, I heard meditation would make me a better person. It might make me feel calm, and it might help me become more spiritual or more intuitive. And they were not very strong whys. Then my mentor presented to my class, he calls it a tool for enlightenment, and I was instantly hooked, and since that very day I have found the practice for me. So my invitation to you is to journey into your why, to become a seeker of what's really going to work for you, because there are so many different styles of mindfulness and meditation, and we just need to find what's going to be best for you. So go to the bookstore, go to the library, actually pick up a book and see what resonates with you and give it a try. We need to experience these things in order to figure out if they're going to work for us or not. It's okay to give something a try and then to put it down later and then to find something else. That's all about the journey and the experience of meditation and obviously of life. So That's my invitation to you. Figure out what your why is, and in our next session, we'll get started with creating your beautiful sacred space. Thank you so much for being here. Let's journey together. It's going to be super fun. Enjoy your day. Namaste. Hey, you know what's really great? What I have discovered in my meditation journey, and that is meditating with friends. Meditating with friends allows your experience to become accountable, reliable, something that you can share with people that you really love and who love you. So please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Maybe you want to start something together. Okay, thanks for being here.